Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. So let's see what's there for Cancerians. Okay, so we have the Two of Cups on your side. See what's there on your person's side. Okay, so we have the Emperor on your person's side. Most likely outcome. Okay, so we have the Eight of Cups as the most likely outcome. So Cancerians, you are dealing with someone with whom you feel that it's a balanced relationship, a very happy relationship, and you feel happy in every way. So basically, you are dealing with a beautiful connection. As far as your person is concerned, we have the Emperor on their side. So maybe you are dealing with somebody who is of a higher status than yours, or maybe financially more stable, or maybe in a maybe this person is a little dominant or bossy, can be, or maybe this person is a leader. So maybe this person is according to the society, or according to your uh, maybe of a higher status than yours, or maybe people look up to this person, something like that. So maybe this person is of higher authority in whatever way this person is. So it's a good position of this person, and this person is a very just person. This person is honest, being very just, and maybe a little dominating. But I'm not getting a bad dominating type of a feeling as far as this card is concerned. Maybe they are more protective, overprotective, that's something of that sort. Okay, and here as the mutual outcome with the Eight of Cups, uh, I think you're walking away from something from the past, or something which was troubling you in the past. So maybe you are, so whatever it is, you're moving towards peace basically. That's what I'm trying to say. You're moving towards peace and stepping up in your life. Okay, moving towards happier times, leaving things behind, whatever those things are. We'll see in the clarifiers. Okay, so let's see why is this Two of Cups here for. Okay, so we have the Five of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, and the Nine of Cups. On your person side, we have the Ace of Pentacles, the Justice, okay, and the Ace of Wands. So let's see why is this Eight of Cups here for. Okay, so we have the High Priestess. Wow, the Hermit, the Knight of Wands, Three of Cups. Okay, Two of Cups once again, and the Strength. Okay, so Cancerians, for the Two of Cups, we have the Five of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, and the Nine of Cups. So what I feel here is that there has been a time in which you were sort of feeling alone, very depressed, and you had really locked yourself inside, sort of closed the doors of life on you. You were shut down. Basically, you were emotionally shattered and shut down, to totally closed off to the world. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. Okay. And it's like you'd kept the key aside, sort of not wanting to deal with anyone, not letting anybody in your life, totally totally depressed and in solitude. You really wanted sort of someone to unlock your heart or unlock your life. That is what you wanted, but it wasn't happening. It's something of that sort. So this has been in the past, that's what I feel. But since now you're dealing with someone who has unlocked your heart, you are trying to come out of that negativity, you are trying to come out of that gloomy stage of yours, and you are in that transition phase, you have already crossed that transition phase, because you are at the brink of uh, that path which is taking you towards the other side of life. And that other side of life is so beautiful that you are feeling very very happy, and you feel accomplished and celebrated. So it's like a journey from when once you had when you had locked yourself from the world. You were totally secluded, alone, feeling depressed, just waiting for somebody who could come in and unlock your life or unlock your heart. And then when you found this someone, it was a tough path that you have walked on in a very very cautious manner. It was tough, but you were focused on crossing this journey, and now you feel that you've achieved it and you are very very happy about it. Okay, so you feel celebrated, or by this person, or you yourself feel happy about it, but it is a very happy type of a vibe right now. Okay, as far as your person is concerned, we have the Emperor, and the clarifiers are the Ace of Pentacles, the Justice, and the Ace of Wands. So again the Justice has come up, which is talking about the nature of the Emperor. So maybe this person is very very balanced. Maybe this person speaks the truth, they want the truth, they want justice. So this is talking about the quality also of the person you are dealing with. Apart from that, this person is perhaps trying to balance something in their life, or trying to balance this relationship. It's a new relationship with the Ace of Pentacles. You've started off with the Ace of Wands. So you've started off with this person. It's a new beginning, and this person is balancing things very very wisely. That's what I'm trying to say. This person, maybe you're dealing with a Libran, but whosoever this person is very balanced, very focused. They know what it is, they know how things should be, and they are taking things in a very very balanced way. It's a beautiful energy which is coming up on this person's side. You are dealing with somebody who is very very stable, very confident, very emotionally mature. They know how to deal with things. Okay, this is the person you are dealing with. And as far as the most likely outcome was there with the Eight of Cups, so we have the High Priestess and the Hermit and the Knight of Wands. So with the High Priestess and the Hermit, what I feel here is, you or the other person, or maybe both of you, you are taking that time. You are being very very intuitive, going slow, taking that time, trying to heal yourself, focusing on yourself, doing that inner work which is required to heal. What I feel is, since you had the time of Five of Pentacles, this is the time which you are feeling very happy now. You have uplifted yourself in some way, that now you feel happy, you feel content. You are basically, what I am getting out of this Hermit is, though you are being very very intuitive and self-focused, and doing that inner work which is required for the healing, giving yourself the time, but what I feel is, you are sitting there very happy and very content. That is the energy which I am getting from this Hermit card. And it's like you're sitting under the sky, watching the stars, watching the moon, and spending that serene and a peaceful time. It's sort of like that. and it is a very very beautiful energy. You are feeling calm, composed, poised, happy. That's what. Okay, so that is what is, once you have moved away from whatever it was, so it's giving you a lot of healing. Basically, this relationship is giving you a lot of healing. That's what you are doing, focusing on yourself, coming out of the negative of the past, and getting healed. And here we have the Knight of Wands, the Three of Cups, the Two of Cups again, and the Strength. So you, with the Strength, what I feel is that you are coming out of this negativity, whatever it was with the Five of Pentacles, and it's a tough journey, because with the High Priestess, Hermit, you are focusing on yourself, and it is a tough journey in the sense that it's requiring a lot of your strength to come out of what it was, or the bad times which you have already spent. Okay, so it is requiring a lot of your strength to come out of the negative aspect of your life, which had perhaps evoked a lot of wildness in you, or sort of strictness in you, or something which was very rash, or maybe that fighter type of a thing, which is rude, maybe blunt. When you were when you were perhaps very rash, it's coming off like that. So the past was when you were perhaps not that soft in your nature, not that soft in your approach towards life. You were very wild. That was your, wild is the word which I'm getting when I'm seeing this Strength card. That it has required a lot of your strength. This is what you were with the Five of Pentacles. Though you were secluded, and maybe there was a lot of anger in you, it was, maybe there was a lot of anguish in you, you had that rebellion in you perhaps, and that is what you are dealing with now, to coming to the, trying to deal with that nature, that aspect which had come up in you, and now you're trying to calm yourself, sort of. Okay, so there was something wild which had been triggered, which was perhaps there was some sort of rebellion in you, aggressiveness in you. Maybe you wanted to take revenge from people who had hurt you, perhaps. Maybe that was the thing. So there was something in you which had enkindled or evoked that wilder aspect of you. It's coming to me again and again, louder and louder. There was something which had evoked those animal instincts in you, which now you are trying to heal and calm down by the High Priestess and the Hermit. This is the work you have done. So maybe with the Five of Pentacles, though you were depressed, secluded and depressed, you felt aloof, you felt as if life has really knocked you down. But deep within, there was a rebellion in you. There was that beast in you which wanted to fight out for that revenge, sort of. It was that instinct, that killing instinct was there, that you really wanted to have that revenge, or that aggressiveness. Something was there which was very very strong in you, and it was something that you just wanted to have it at any cost. It had become a part of your personality, and it was like you will take that revenge no matter how long it takes, something of that sort. It's requiring a lot of strength on your part to leave that and to come to terms with the present, which is very very happy with this connection, which is bringing you a lot of happiness. It's giving you celebrations. You are very very happy with this energy. With this new person, maybe you are dealing with the Leo, can be Leo or a Libra, perhaps. But definitely this connection is providing you a lot of healing, a lot of healing. Let's see what are the messages from the universe for Cancerians. You are limitless. You can do anything you choose. Number 4 may be of some significance for you. That is what you are doing. You are choosing a beautiful life for yourself, and you are limitless. You can do that. So on one aspect was this wilder aspect of yours, the wildest aspect of yours, and now is that you're trying to balance your life and heal it. This, whatever this past was, it can be a relationship, or it may not be a relationship, can be anything, but it had evoked a beast in you which you are trying to calm down. It had really evoked a beast in you, and you were very focused on taking that revenge, sort of a thing. Oh God, very very powerful. It's just talking and talking and talking to me. Can't get over it. So Cancerians, anyway, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.